Best motorcycle dash cams. Are you looking for the best motorcycle dash cams? In this video we will look at some of the best motorcycle dash cams on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. THINKWARE Sports M1 Dashcam. Dual-channel Wi-Fi dashcam for motorsport by THINKWARE, M1 motorcycle, ATV and RV camera system with front and rear 1080p recording, automatic incident detection, 32GB microSD, and remote control. Enhance your riding experience and protect every adventure with the THINKWARE M1 dual-channel Wi-Fi dashcam, designed specifically for motorcycles, ATVs, and RVs. Built to handle the demands of motorsport, this compact yet powerful camera system provides reliable front and rear coverage with crystal-clear 1080p Full HD recording. Whether you're cruising through city streets or exploring rugged trails, the 140 degrees wide-angle lens ensures every detail is captured. With dual-channel recording, both the front and rear cameras work simultaneously to provide a complete view of your ride. The automatic incident detection feature uses advanced sensors to detect sudden impacts or vibrations, saving crucial footage for insurance or review. Its Wi-Fi connectivity allows you to quickly view, manage, and share videos directly from your smartphone for added convenience. Engineered with durability in mind, the THINKWARE M1 is equipped with an adhesive mounting system for a secure fit on motorcycles, ATVs, or RVs. It comes ready to use with a 32GB microSD card, 2 mounts, remote control, and quick guide, so installation is simple and hassle-free. Designed in sleek black, this dash cam system blends seamlessly with your vehicle while delivering professional-grade performance. Ride with confidence knowing you have reliable video evidence and peace of mind on every journey. Number 2. VSYSTO Motorcycle Recording Dashcam. VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam, dual-channel front and rear 1080p DVR with Starlight Night Vision, G-sensor, loop recording, waterproof cameras and remote control, Black D6L. Stay protected and capture every moment of your ride with the VSYSTO D6L Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam, designed to deliver reliable, high-quality recording in all conditions. Engineered specifically for motorcycles, this dual-channel DVR system features front and rear 1080p HD cameras with a 130 degrees wide-angle lens, ensuring a broad and detailed view of the road ahead and behind. The Starlight Night Vision technology enhances low-light performance, allowing you to record clear, sharp videos even in dark environments. With loop recording, your camera automatically overwrites old footage, while the built-in G-sensor locks important files during sudden impacts or accidents, preserving critical evidence. Equipped with a built-in Wi-Fi module, the VSYSTO D6L lets you connect to your smartphone for easy playback, file management, and sharing. Its remote control allows you to instantly take pictures or secure video clips with just one press. Built for the open road, both cameras are waterproof, making them ideal for all-weather riding. The system includes 2 cameras, a host with bracket, and a wired controller, with a dashboard mounting option for simple, secure installation. With its sleek black D6L design, rugged build, and advanced features, the VSYSTO Motorcycle Dashcam ensures you ride with confidence, whether for safety, insurance evidence, or capturing unforgettable journeys. Number 3. VSYSTO 150 degrees wide fisheye motorcycle dashcam. VSYSTO Wi-Fi motorcycle dash camera, dual 1080p front and rear DVR, full body waterproof, GPS, loop recording, G-sensor, high-speed Wi-Fi download and remote control, Black S6PL. Ride smarter and safer with the VSYSTO S6PL Wi-Fi motorcycle dash camera, a premium dual-channel DVR system built for performance, durability, and convenience. Designed exclusively for motorcycles, this system delivers crystal-clear 1080p HD recording from both the front and rear cameras, ensuring complete coverage of your rides. With a full-body waterproof design, the S6PL can withstand rain, mud, and harsh outdoor conditions, making it ideal for year-round use. Equipped with an enhanced high-speed Wi-Fi signal booster, this dashcam allows you to quickly download and share videos directly to your smartphone via the dedicated app. The integrated GPS module tracks your speed, route, and location, providing valuable ride data alongside your video footage. The loop recording feature ensures continuous coverage by overwriting old files when the memory is full, while the G-sensor automatically locks critical footage during sudden impacts or collisions. For added convenience, the wired remote controller lets you instantly capture photos or secure video clips with a simple press, ensuring you never miss an important moment. Installation is simple with the underseat mounting design, keeping the system discreet and secure. The package includes 2 cameras, GPS, host with bracket, and wired controller, giving you everything you need for hassle-free setup. With its sleek black finish, durable build, and smart features, the VSYSTO S6PL is the perfect companion for every motorcyclist who values safety, evidence, and adventure. Number 4. VSYSTO No Screen Dual Dashcam. VSYSTO D6WL Motorcycle Dashcam, dual 1080p front and rear waterproof cameras with Wi-Fi app control, G-sensor, loop recording and 256GB microSD support. Capture every ride with confidence using the VSYSTO D6WL Motorcycle Dashcam, a reliable dual-channel recording system designed for motorcycles, bicycles, and cars. With 1080p front and rear cameras working simultaneously, you'll get crystal-clear footage from both perspectives, ensuring full coverage of your journeys. The 130 degrees wide-angle lens provides a broad view of the road, minimizing blind spots and capturing important details. Built for the open road, both cameras feature a durable waterproof design, making them perfect for all-weather use. The loop recording function ensures continuous coverage by automatically overwriting older files, while the G-sensor locks critical footage during sudden impacts, preserving vital evidence. With Wi-Fi app control, you can easily connect to your smartphone for quick video playback, file downloads, and convenient sharing. Unlike basic dash cams, the D6WL supports up to a massive 256GB microSD card, not included, allowing you to record more hours of footage without worrying about storage limits. Installation is simple with the included adhesive mount, wired controller, power cable, and USB test cable, ensuring a secure and hassle-free setup. The wired controller also lets you instantly capture photos or save important clips with just a press, so you never miss a key moment. Finished in sleek black, the VSYSTO D6WL combines durability, smart features, and dependable performance, making it the ultimate companion for safety, evidence collection, and recording every adventure on the road. Number 5. Vantrue N2S 4K Dashcam. Vantrue N4 Pro 4K 3-channel Dashcam, Starvis 2 IMX678, PlatePix HDR Night Vision, front plus inside plus rear 4K plus 1080p plus 1080p, voice control, Wi-Fi, GPS, 24H parking mode, 512GB max support. Protect your vehicle and record every angle with the Vantrue N4 Pro 3-channel Dashcam, engineered with advanced imaging and safety features for complete driving peace of mind. This powerful system captures 4K Ultra HD front video plus 1080p inside and rear coverage simultaneously, providing unmatched clarity day or night. Equipped with the Sony Starvis 2 IMX678 sensor and enhanced PlatePix HDR Night Vision, the N4 Pro ensures sharp license plate recognition and vivid detail, even in low light or challenging weather. The 165 degrees wide field of view minimizes blind spots, while the IR LEDs deliver crisp interior cabin footage ideal for rideshare, family trips, or commercial drivers. With built-in Wi-Fi and GPS, you can easily manage footage, track routes, and monitor driving speed directly from the companion app. Voice control allows for hands-free operation, letting you start recordings or take snapshots safely while driving. The 24-hour parking mode with buffered motion detection ensures your car is protected even when parked, while the supercapacitor design offers enhanced durability in extreme temperatures. A 3-axis adjustable G-sensor automatically locks important footage during sudden impacts, and loop recording ensures continuous coverage. Simple to install with the included GPS mount, car charger adapter, 3M adhesive stickers, crowbar, and 20-foot rear camera cable, the N4 Pro is ready to go out of the box. Supporting up to 512GB storage, it delivers extended recording capacity for long journeys.